Hi, my name is Marc Einstein, and I'm the Chief Analyst for Telecommunications and Digital Media at ITR Corporation. So my speech is called Unlocking Your Full Potential with the Internet of Everything, which is going to explore some of the key technologies that we're seeing now and in the future, such as artificial intelligence, 5G, blockchain, and robotics. And so the objective of my speech is really to combine both my personal journey and my professional journey by talking about technologies and how these technologies will be relevant to everybody. So if you're interested in technologies of the future and how they're going to impact the world, I certainly hope you will attend my workshop.
I'm Veronica. I came from Chile. I'm living in Japan for 30 years and I came today because I was interested on the topics and left me scared. Esto me ha dejado hoy día no con respuestas, sino que con preguntas e incertidumbre.
My name is Edward Suzuki. I'm an architect. I came here tonight to learn more about IoT and also about Einstein. Thank you.